Euphorbia miliae is easy to grow semi-succulent that loves sunlight and is very forgiving. If you have a busy schedule or if you don't have a lot of gardening experience, this flowering succulent is a perfect choice. When grown outdoors, the Euphorbia miliae needs a lot of sunlight. In extremely hot and dry climates, these plants will need shade as the hot midday sun can burn the leaves. As a general rule, euphorbias that get more sun exposure will have more flowers. But the great thing about this semi-succulent is that it will bloom even with 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight per day. But to grow happy and healthy, the Euphorbia miliae needs at least half a day of sunlight. If you plan growing it outdoors and want it to blossom regularly, choose a location that gets a lot of sunlight. Crown of thorns succulents are winter hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11, where they thrive in well-drained succulent soil mix. Wet soil in winter is very dangerous for this drought-loving plant. They don't mind rocky or sandy soil and soil that's nutrient poor. Cactus potting mix is best, or make your own with equal parts of potting soil, coarse sand, and perlite. Crown of thorns succulents are very versatile and adaptable houseplant. All they need is a well-drained container that's just an inch or two larger than the root system. When planted in too much soil, the plants can be susceptible to root rot, especially if the soil is damp for extended periods. Christoph thorn succulents don't need a lot of water as they naturally grow in tropical and subtropical regions. Pouring a little water occasionally is perfect and will keep your succulent happy and healthy. The main goal is to get the root system completely hydrated. In between waterings, make sure you let the top layer of soil dry completely. Ideally, the roots of crisp plant should always be just a little damp, otherwise the plant will start to shed its leaves. But you need to be careful because too much water can lead to root rot. So it's recommended to move the water from the saucer every time. But like most succulents and cacti, Euphorbia miliae prefers drought instead of too much moisture and hates sitting in water or wet soil for too long. The best watering technique for the euphorbia is the soak and dry technique. That consists of watering the plant thoroughly, removing the extra water from the saucer, and letting the soil dry completely before watering again. Over the winter months, the crown of thorns will go semi-dormant, so it won't need as much water. If you want to fertilize it, do it from spring through fall and avoid doing it in winter. Because succulents and cacti don't need a lot of nutrients in general. The fertilizer should always be diluted to half strength. You can give NPK 19 is to 19 is to 19, half teaspoon in a liter water, or 50 to 70 gram vermicompost or cow dung powder once in 45 to 60 days. Growing happy, Christhorn needs a temperature between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. It's not an issue if the temperature drop a little at night, as this succulent can tolerate temperatures as low as 10 degrees Celsius. Propagation in crown of thorns takes place through cuttings or by plant division. Wear gloves when you touch the plant because its sap is quite poisonous. When grown in perfect conditions, the flowers of Euphorbia milii will bloom throughout the year, but their blooming season is mainly winter through spring. The true flowers of Euphorbia milii lack petals and sepals and are small and greenish. Tiny flowers grow in clusters and are subtended by spectacular red or yellow bracts that look like petals. Because of its toxicity, this plant is rarely attacked by a pest. On rare occasions, it might be affected by mealybugs, thrips, spider mites, and scale bugs. When the environment is too moist, the Euphorbia milii can be susceptible to root rot and fungal diseases. Pruning is required when the branches are overgrown in order to give it a good shape. Its toxic skin contact causes significant irritation. Ingestion causes pain and GI upset. Take precautions with children and pets. Wear gloves when pruning and repotting. I like crowns of thorns because it's super easy to grow and never forget to bloom. Why do you like to grow this plant? Please write in the comment box below.